Alright, in this challenge we'll be working on loops, Python loops. So let's click on this and get into it. Right, the question says the provided code stub reads an integer n from the standard input-output device for all non-negative integers of I is less than n, print I squared. So it's saying that, okay, we have an integer entered here, right, that we should print the square of all the numbers in the range of between 0 and n. So for instance, if n is equals to 3, these following numbers in 3, we have 0, comma, we have 1, we have 2. So we should find 0 times 0, we should find 1 times 1, we should also find 2 times 2. That's what they are simply saying. So how do we do this? Using a loop. We can use for loop to achieve this. Let me delete all of this and let me just comment this. Alright, so we can achieve this with for loop. Let me delete this line because n will be given to us automatically. So I can say for I in range n, right, print I squared. So if I should run this, it should achieve the task. So, but there is a constraint here. It says 1 should be less than n and n should be less than or equal to 20. So we can go and add that constraint. If we want to, we can say if 1 is less than or equal to n and n is less than or equal to 20, we can now run this code. Alright, so if we should run it, the code should still give us the answer. So we are still correct. So we've been able to add this constraint to our code. Alright, we used for loop for this. So we can see that we've been able to achieve our task. Let's submit the code and see if it meets the other constraints. So it meets all the other constraints. So that will be it. We'll meet in the next challenge.